kids, today we're gonna cook my favorite spam. First we're gonna chop the eggs and we're gonna put we have some spam already. We're gonna put it in the pot. Now let's mix it. Remember this. Like scramble, 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 scramble. Scramble, scramble, scramble. Don't touch it, the pan is hot. Hot, hot. Now we're going to put the spam and the egg. First, let's crumble up a little bit. Now let's put it at the pot. Let's get fork. Now what should we do? Can we do this? One. We're gonna cook it. Mix it with the egg. Now we're gonna put it in the pan very slowly. Oh. No. Before the pan is hot. Thank you for. I get out. Now put this very. Another one. Oh, sorry, it is a half.
Yo, Jiro, you know how to cook now?
Now put it in the pot. Oops, sorry, it's not pot, it's pan. Okay. Good. Whoa. Water and boiling. Now let's put another one. Dumps. Dumps.
Can I take a picture of you? Jiro.
Okay.
Cheese. You're so good. I think this one is cooked now. You want to put it in the plate?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll get a plate, okay? Hold on. What you gonna tell the kids? You ready to eat?
Yeah, because I can't wait. I want to eat it. Bye, kids. Make sure to subscribe in the video and watch more channels. Bye.